and then you're gonna scream as loud as you can. Okay, we get close to the truck. He's gonna say 1, 2, 3. You're gonna scream. Take it away.
1, 2, 3.